Good afternoon, children. Today, let us revise the topic LCM, that is least common multiple. Okay, least common multiple. You already learned about multiples. A multiple is a value we get when we multiply a number with another number. Multiple is a value we get when we multiply a number with another number. രണ്ട് നമ്പേഴ്സ് തമ്മിൽ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ചെയ്താൽ കിട്ടുന്ന ആൻസറിനെയാണ് മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ എന്ന് പറയുക. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് എ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ഈസ് ദ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് ദാറ്റ് വി ഗെറ്റ് when one number is multiplied by another number. For example, if we say 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20, here 20 is a multiple of 4 and 5. Okay, 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. This means 20 is a multiple of 4 and 5. Okay. The other multiples of 4 can be listed as 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12 and so on. Learning about multiples helps us to explore many other concepts in maths. So let us start to learn about LCM. Okay, LCM, least common multiple. See children, here are the few multiples of 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 40, 48, 54, 60 are multiples of 6. First 10 multiples of 6. Okay. Let me explain about 3, the number 3. First 10 multiples. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. First 10 multiples of 3. Okay. So, a multiple is a value we get when we multiply a number with another number. Is it clear? Now, least common multiple or LCM. Okay, LCM. The full form of LCM is least common multiple. Is a method to find the smallest common multiple between any two or more numbers. Smallest, least means smallest, common multiple. Okay, between any two or more numbers. A common multiple is a number which is a multiple of two or more numbers. Common multiple. Okay, let me explain this. Here we have to find the LCM of two or more numbers. Okay, let us start from two numbers 4 and 6 first. 4 and 6 first. Okay, so now we have to find the LCM of 4 and 6. So first we have to write all the multiples of the given numbers. Write the multiples of given numbers. First write the few multiples of 4. Few multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. First 7 multiples. Okay. Then write few multiples of 6. 6, 12, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. First 7 multiples. Okay. So here the common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 12 and 24. Common. Common means the number which is present in both. Okay. So here the common multiples are 12 and 24. Now find the least, smallest common multiple, that is 12. So LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Okay. So children, to find the LCM of two or more numbers, you first write the multiples of the given numbers, few multiples of the given numbers. Okay. Then find the common multiples. Common multiple means the multiples which is present in both numbers. Okay. Then you find the smallest or least common multiple. Here in our example, we are finding the LCM of 4 and 6. First, we have to write few multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, etc. Then 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Okay. From the above two expressions, you can see 4 and 6 have common multiples as 12 and 24. They may have more common multiple if we go beyond. Okay. Here we write only the first 7 multiples. If you go beyond, we will get more common multiples. Okay. Now find the smallest or least common multiple. Out of 12 and 24, 12 is the least number. So least common multiple is 12. Okay. Let me explain one more example, children. Find the LCM of 5, 10 and 50. What is the first step? Write the first few multiples of 5. 5. Okay. 1 minute. The numbers are 5, 10, 50. First find the few multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. First 10 multiples. Okay. Then write the multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. Next write few multiples of 50. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, etc. Okay. Now children, find the common multiples. Common multiples. Okay. 30, 30, 30. Only one multiple is common. See, if we go beyond for the multiple of 5, we will get 60 as a common multiple. After 50, if we continue, we will get 55, 60. 55 and 60. Here, 55 and 60. Okay. So we can take 60 also as a common multiple. 60, 60, 60. So the common multiples are 30, 60. Okay, 30, 60. Out of this, which is the least number? 30. Okay. So LCM of 5, 10 and 15 is 30. Okay. So children, first you write the common multiples of the given number. Then first find the multiples of the given number. Then find the common multiple. Out of the common multiples, find the least common multiple, smallest common multiple. That is the LCM of the given numbers. Okay. So children, a multiple is a product that we get when one number is multiplied by another number. Least common multiple is a method to find the smallest common multiple between any two or more numbers. Okay. Children, watch this video carefully and do the given work neatly. Okay. If you have any doubt about this topic, please send me a message. Hope you all understood this. Thank you, children.